But this is the most important and fascinating thing I've really seen out of this chart, looking at the 1 hour chart. After it did that big move that you were actually talking about in terms of going through all of those liquidation phases, in particular on the Tuesday, look what's really happened. It's broken through this really long-term support level, or which was a resistance level at that point, which was actually formed on both the 8th of February as well as the 10th of March. Broke through that area, then went up and tested this other resistance level here at 72,246. Couldn't maintain itself above that level, right?
Hmm.
It's come back down, tested this support level again, couldn't break its way down below that support level. And now it's range bound in between those levels on the 1 hour chart. So look to see whether this support level holds and look to see whether this resistance area breaks. It's going to determine which way this goes. And then you have the prior resistance level back from March of 2024 to contend with there at 73,135. That's the story in relation to Bitcoin. The most interesting thing, though, obviously, in terms of Ethereum, is without a shadow of a doubt, the big resistance support line that we've actually had from April 2023. And you can really see the impact that that actually had. It came back and tested that area and then just shot off as soon as it broke through it. Now it's testing the long-term VWAP on the 1 hour chart in particular. But if we go back to the daily, it's testing the daily one as well. So that's the really, really important aspect that's going on there. And that's been bouncing off the 50-day moving average here as well, which is now starting to swing upwards. We've got a lot of moving parts, as always, in relation to these particular coins. But as you really alluded to as well, these are the two big ones. And especially with Ethereum, that's going to be the leading driver for all of the altcoins as well,